Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I want to share to you about article Bitcoin should still favor new 20 loss as Ethereum hits 22 rupee. Bitcoin BTC is still due to return to near 20,000. Fresh analysis run as BTC or USD attempts to retest multi-month hike. BTC or USD 100 channel chart Bitcoin short trading view. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView shows BTC or USD staging a second run up to near 25,000 on August 13. So far, saying projective BTC or USD annotated cards, short credible crypto or Twitter. ETH or USD 1-day channel card business short trading views. Bitcoin dominates 1-week channel card cost trading view. There are about Bitcoin. Data from Cointelegraph Market Pro and TradingView show BTC or USD staging a second run up to near 25,000 on August. The per hike gains over 1,300 overnight, but as bull rages run out of momentum near critical resistance, we were optimistic over Bitcoin avoiding a deeper come down. One last hike to Rex early short popular trading account to couple of crypto sold Twitter followers. Similarly, conscious was fellow trader Gibbon, who said that he would even prefer to wait and buy higher then spot price to roll out any trend reverses. More bullish was trading account the credible crypto, who argues that any correction will still be bullish unless 20,700 was broken. Relief when a big hike here than expected, but looks like a leak grab of local hikes and still takes a move down to green before continuation to 28 plus makes most sense. He commented on a accompanying card. Clean it up the card a bit to make things more clear. Inflation at 20,000 until then bullish on of any dips. Targeting hike 20 of 27,000 until 28,000 as long as we remain above the range hike. Crypto Tony idiots continue a strategy from earlier in the week with 24,500 a key super level. Ethereum returns to 2,000 after 11 weeks hitters. On altcoin, meanwhile, it was either ETH in the driving seat after an overnight source took ETH or USD above 2,000 for the first time since May. Crypto markets bounces and sentiment improves, but retail has yet to FOMO. At 20,020 so far, the pair exhibit its best performance since May 23, seeking to consolidate near the hike at the time of rating. While off-chain analysis materials can this all leads to the worst being yet to come for ETH bulls. As the crypto market cap share nonetheless crosses 20%, while Bitcoin fell under 40% according to data from CoinMarketCap. As Cointelegraph reported, a decided indicator already called the start of all season with a stronger signal than at any time since June 2021 this month. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views on Cointelegraph.com. Maybe this is enough from me. I'm sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.